B13, top of the evening, top of the kitchen. It's your boy, Chef Boy All Hot. And I got my man right here, special guest, Tiger Shark. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit up chicken strips. I'm gonna make another high plant-based protein meal. Stay tuned, because I got a couple other meals I'm gonna drop, and I'm gonna let y'all see what we got going on. We got the vegan chicken strips, and we're gonna make us a stir fry. So first off, we're gonna throw the onions in there. So right now what we wanna do is make sure it doesn't burn. We're gonna make sure we get a little caramelization going on. We got a little olive oil non-stick spray. Just coated the pan just a little bit to get everything smooth. Now we're gonna add in our veggies. We got some great veggies going on in there, but we're gonna keep everything up in here. We're gonna let it steam down a little bit. Gonna add some seasonings. Another little bit of seasoning. Got the original going on, some original action. Lastly, we're gonna add some of the steak seasoning just to keep everything just right. Gonna do is we're gonna add in these chickenless strips. We're gonna make the whole box. What we're adding in there, Tiger Shark? Garlic, excellent. Poultry. All right, so the veggies accumulated their own little water. So what we're gonna do is turn up this heat a little bit and let that get out. But in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna add the vegan strips. All right, Tiger Shark, go ahead. Drop it in there, all of it. Now we're gonna mix it up, plate it, and you'll see what it turns out to be. So there you have it. Multiple high protein plant-based meals. Then I also gave you a little treat. That cheesy dip, that's kind of like a family recipe. Comment below. Let me know if you want exactly how that recipe is made and how long it takes to bake it. But take a look at it, enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next episode.